Hello guys, thank you so much for once again tuning into my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. So we're talking about this headband wig today that I'm wearing. This headband wig is by Curly Me Hair. It is a non-sponsored video, but I want to give you all the deets on this hair just in case you are interested in this headband wig. So if you want to see all the information, you just keep on watching. This headband wig is from Curly Me Hair, and this is the unpackaging right here. I found that the packaging was very satisfying. They did a great job at packaging this with the bubble wrap and everything, and really nice packaging. So they did put 100% effort into that. This is what's inside the box. They give you the headband. You have a choice between this one hard headband with the rhinestones, or you can have the soft one. So I chose that one. They had a pair of lashes, and then the card to show you how to treat the hair. And this is all the information from the hair. It's 180% density, 20 inches long. It is the Kinky Curly. It doesn't have the color on it, but you guys can see the color. It's the red or burgundy color of the wig. So here I'm just taking everything out and opening everything up, and it has a really nice color to it. The smell was great. It smelled like baby doll hair, like a Barbie doll hair or something. Nothing special, nothing bad, no feet smell or anything like that. So it was good. This one had the 5 combs as well, one in the front and the back, both 2 on the sides, but nothing in like as far as the adjustable strap goes. So, which I normally never use them anyway, so it was fine with me. And then here I did not show it, but I co-washed it just with conditioner and let it sit, and then I'm combing the hair out. It's very soft, very smooth hair, and it was easy to comb out. No knots, no tangles or anything like that. But as you can see at the bottom down here, it's kind of, what is this called, thin. It looks really thin and kind of scarce and a little shaggy, so that's the one thing I didn't care too much about, is being so small, so thin, and then it did shed, so that's what I got. And this is it, the final look, y'all. I did put this headband wig on, and I put on a different headband, not the one that came with it, but it did look pretty good overall. The edges, the ends, I'll probably end up cutting those because you see how thin they look. As you can see, when I turn around, you can see right through back to the wall, so I probably will end up cutting that. So overall, would I recommend this wig? Yes, I would. They say it's 180% density. This is a 20-inch. I guess this is a 20-inch because you gotta look at the texture. This texture is Kinky Curly. So I have another headband wig that I did, and it was a 22-inch, and it seemed like it was much longer than this, but at the same time it was Jerry curl. So that's probably the difference. So that's probably that's a looser curl than this Kinky Curly. So the Kinky Curly in a 20-inch is kind of shorter. It almost reminds me of a bob, but it's kind of maybe the way I styled it, but it kind of reminds me of a bob. So this one with that texture though, it will be shorter. So if I could do it over, I would do this one in a much longer length. But at the same time, this does look really natural. It looks like this is the color my hair is right now, and it looks like this could actually be my hair because it's one, in the right texture, the Kinky Curly, and then 2, it is not that long, and my hair is not as long, of course, but it's getting there, so it could pass for my hair. So would I recommend this wig? Absolutely. It's really nice. The shipping took about 10 days, so I wouldn't say it was fast. So it took about 10 days, and that was including the weekend, so maybe 7 business days or something. But so it was okay. The communication with the seller was amazing. They were really good. You can email them or WhatsApp them, and they will get right back to you. And again, this is not a sponsored video, but yeah, so they got back right back to you. When I got the hair, it did not have a smell, just the typical baby doll hair smell. So that was not an issue. It had quite a bit of shedding to me at the beginning when I first combed it all out, but that's like the initial time when you first combing it, is you really never been combed before, and once you comb it out, you get that hair, but it wasn't horrible, but it was a nice amount. And then so no smell. The shipping was fast, communication was good, and this is giving me what it's supposed to. It's supposed to be Brazilian Kinky Curly hair, so it's nice. Overall, it gives me a totally different look, I think, from my other headband wigs, which is actually it's actually good. So I would definitely recommend this wig. It was affordable. I think I paid like $136 for this headband wig with some coupons. So I paid about $136 for it, so that's not bad at all. And we'll just see how it holds up. So I don't know, because you know the color treated hair sometimes gives you issues or problems sometimes because it's color treated. I didn't color treat this hair, but they did. It looks like they dyed it. But I did buy the stuff for me to dye, not this wig, but a wig. But then I saw this wig that came in this color already. I said, why go through all the hassle and just get a wig that's already that color, so you don't have to do all that, you know, and it'll just be that. So anyway, really cute. I would recommend this wig, and yeah, it's giving me real natural. It's giving me real natural, and I do like it. So thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you can please do me a favor, help me reach that 1,000 mark subscribers. Wrong channel. Subscribers, and that would be greatly appreciated. Thank you. Talk to you later. Peace.